So working on a LG washer today, a big bearing job. Complaint is that it's making it's wobbling and making banging sounds when it spins. So you can see, it's harder to see on the video, but the drum goes up and down. So here we have a new bearing with the basket and also with the spider arm that we will be replacing today. Also you can see on the old gasket that it's so the drum was rubbing on it. There's pieces of rubber and sometimes even smoking. So that's what we're doing today. So the basket is out and here's the issue. Spider arm cracked in two places, one here, big one. And also there was a lot of oil around the seal of the bearing, so that will be replaced as well, and the new bearing is inside. So okay, so doing the final adjustments, putting everything back together. New drum bearing and spider are inside. Everything looks good, so we're gonna reassemble it. Everything's done, working great.